Ever wondered if an AI could be your personal art director? What if you could transform a simple thought into a stunning photorealistic image right from your desk? The future of digital creation is here, and it's more accessible than you think. Let's explore how. It all starts with a spark of an idea. Take a basic pencil sketch, something rough and conceptual. With the right prompt, ChatGPT can interpret these simple lines, understanding the form, the perspective, and the intended detail. It then transforms that sketch into a polished photorealistic picture, complete with accurate lighting, textures, and reflections. The transition from graphite to pixels is seamless, turning a quick drawing into a portfolio-worthy piece in moments. Need to capture attention online? It can generate compelling YouTube thumbnails in seconds. Just provide the video's topic and desired style. The AI instantly designs multiple options, playing with layouts, fonts, and color psychology to maximize your click-through rate. This allows for effortless A/B testing, helping you find the perfect visual hook for your content. But it goes deeper than just static images. If you're stuck in a creative rut, just type an idea, and it can generate a full video concept. It will outline a narrative, suggest specific shots, and even create a visual storyboard to guide your production. It can even breathe new life into old memories. Feed it a blurry, faded, or damaged photograph, and watch as the AI meticulously restores it. It can sharpen details, correct colors, and repair imperfections, bringing precious moments back into focus with stunning clarity. And for branding, it's a powerhouse. It can design entire sets of logos from simple prompts. Describe your brand's ethos, and it will generate a dozen unique concepts, exploring different styles from minimalist to intricate, giving you a professional identity in minutes. It can also create realistic social media mock-ups, showing you exactly how your designs will look in a live feed. Or generate professional product mock-ups, placing your item in any environment you can imagine, saving you the cost of expensive photo shoots. Need a clean cutout? Its background removal tool is precise, isolating subjects flawlessly for use in any design. It can even suggest color grades to set the perfect mood, offering professional-level palettes to enhance your images. From quick edits to complete transformations, the creative possibilities are truly endless. The only limit is your imagination. If you want to master these techniques and discover more incredible AI photo tricks, make sure to subscribe.